Let's continue with question number 21. Nasir bought 9 storage bins that were each the same price. He used a coupon for $63 off the entire purchase. The cost for the entire purchase after using the coupon was $27. What was the original price in dollar for one bin? So now calculate what is the total amount he spent. He spent it as 63, he used a coupon what he had, plus 27 he paid additionally. So total original cost of the 9 bins will be 63 plus 27, which is equal to $90. Now question asking you what is the cost of one bin. So how do we get a cost of one bin? This is the cost of 9 bins. Now to get a cost of one bin, divide by 9 on either side. So you'll be getting cost of one bin is equal to 90 divided by 9, which is equal to $10. So $10 is the answer to this question. Question number 22 says a line segment that has a length of 115 centimeter is divided into 3 parts. One part is 47 centimeter long. The other 2 parts have the length that are equal to each other. What is the length in centimeter of one of the other 2 parts of equal length? They are asking us, it's basically a length of the entire line. It's gonna be, let's take 115 centimeter, and in that one part, let's take from here to here, it's representing 47 centimeter, and they are asking you other 2 parts are equal. So if I am considering this whole thing, these are the divided into other 2 parts which of equal size. Let's consider this is x, this is x. Okay, now question is what is the length of the one of the 2 equal parts? So it's just like setting an equation. How do we do that? Total length, that is 47 plus x equal to 115. So you can just put it on the Desmos. You can put it as 47 plus x is equal to 115. You'll be getting a value of x, that is the length of the each part, that is 34. So value of x here, it is 34. So each part here is gonna be 34 here. So 34 plus 47 is equal to 115. As I said, you can solve in multiple ways. Okay, what you can do is 115 minus 47 divided by 2, that also gives me 34. I mean, as I said, there are multiple ways. You can choose the best which you can work with. Okay, not necessary that you have to solve in this way only. Go with your way if you are comfortable with. Question number 23 says that 5 times t plus 3 minus 7 times t plus 3 is equal to 38. What is the value of t is the solution to the given equation. Solution meaning for what value of t the left side of that expression is equal to right side. So I don't know why the college board say it is a harder one. In fact, if you solve without using Desmos by rearranging the term and all, yes, it could take little longer time, but when we use the Desmos, it's barely like 10-15 seconds. What I need to do while typing that equation in the Desmos, you have to replace t with x. As I mentioned before also, Desmos gives me answer only in terms of x and y's. I just need to type it as 5 times x plus 3, close it, minus 7 times x plus 3 equals 38. So what is the value of x I am gonna get for which this expression is getting true? As you can see here, x equal to negative 22. So for x equal to negative 22, left side equation is equal to right side. So we go with as x equal to negative 22. In fact, t equal to negative 22 is the answer to this. When you substitute t as negative 22, either side answer is gonna be equal. Question number 24 says a gym charges its member one time $36 enrollment fee and a membership fee of $19 per month. If there are no charges other than the enrollment fee and the membership fee, After how many months will a member have been charged a total of $188 at the gym? They're asking you to calculate after how many months this amount has been charged. As you see here, let's consider after x number of months. Generally, when we solve algebra, we assign it to variable x, okay? Consider that this much amount has been charged. Then how do we write it as an equation? As they said, gym charges its member one time enrollment fees, means you have to pay only one time, that is $36 plus every month $19, and the person is enrolled for x number of months. Let's take the total charge for the x number of months is gonna be 19 times x. This all together is equal to 188. Again, take a help of Desmos, will help you. 36 plus 19x equal to 36 plus 19x is equal to 188. That gives me the value of x. We can say after how many days? How many months? After 8 months, company will charge you this much amount. So x equal to 8. So we go with option C. The Townsend Realty Group invested in 5 different properties listed in the table above, which has been given here. The table shows the amount in dollars the company paid for each property and the corresponding monthly rental price in dollars. The company charges for the property at each of the 5 locations. Townsend Realty Group purchased Glenview Street property and receives 40% discount of its original price. Question is about this. Glenview Street property and they are receiving 40% discount of its original price, along with an additional 20% off the discounted price for purchasing property in cash. Which of the following best approximates the original price in dollars of the Glenview Street property? So this is the discounted price after 2 discount. First they give 40% discount and then 20% on the discounted price. After that they are paying 140,000. With referring to this, what was the original price? That's the question, and here we have given an options. Now let's consider x is an original price of this one. As I don't know, we have to find it. So consider x as original price and apply the given situations. So first discount they are getting it as 40%, that is original price minus 40% of its value as original, 40% of its value as a discount. In short, if you simplify it further, x minus 40% means 0.4x. So combinedly, if you take x as a common factor, 1 minus 0.4, which gives us 0.6x. Let me tell you another quicker way of solving. When we are saying 40% as given of discount, it means the company is charging only 60% of the remaining value. Okay, so you can directly do 60% of the total price, which is same as 0.6, or you can write it in the equation the way how I am writing it, so won't be getting confused. Now second time they are saying that the second company is giving a second time discount, which is 20% of the discounted price when the Townsend Realty paid them in a cash. So how do we set up an equation again? 0.6x minus 20% discount means that much, 20% of that amount we have to subtract. So 20% of 0.6x. So again, if you take 0.6x as a common factor, 1 minus 20% becomes 0.2, that is 0.6x times 0.8. So this is the equation for 2 discounts, and after the 2 discounts, Townsend Realty Group paid this much amount, means this expression should be equal to 140,000. So we can write it as 0.6 times, I can write it in this way also, okay, 0.8 x equal to 140,000. When we are multiplying, order of multiplication doesn't matter, so you can write it as, like for example, 2 times 3 gives me 6, 3 times 2 also gives me 6, whether 2 is first, 3 is first, doesn't matter. Same way here. Now to get a value of x, you need to divide by 0.6 6 times 0.8 on either side. They divide this one same as 0.6 times 0.8. You'll be getting that answer here it as 140,000 divided by 0.6 times 0.8, that is equal to what we are getting, 291,666.6666. that is equivalent to 291,000. so what I am getting answer for x is equal to 291,666.666. so which is closer to this option will be the answer. So which one is 291,700. so make sense with option B. So this is how the questions can be asked. This is a good level question, in fact, involving multiple change in the percentage. Let's work on question number 25. Each side of a 30-sided polygon has one of the three lengths. The number of sides with length 8 cm is 5 times the number of side n with the length 3 cm. There are 6 sides with the length of 4 cm. Which of the equation must be true for the value of n? So they are trying to say a polygon with 30 sides and there are 3 types of lengths in it. One is 8 cm, another one is 3 cm and 4 cm. And they are also saying that there are 5 times the number of side n 8 cm, means 8 cm sides are 5 times the number n and 3 cm sides are n number, and they also said that 4 cm sides are 6. So now what is the total length? We can say 4 multiplied by 6, which is gonna be 24. Now that is the total number of sides what it gives me. So add them, that is 6n actually, but we can add them it like 5n plus n plus 24 is equal to 30. That is the total number of, I can write it in this way as 5n plus n is equals to 6n plus 24 is equal to 30. This is the equation I can set up for n based on the information which matches with option B.